you doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for taking a minute and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make cheesy bacon chicken, or otherwise called Monterey chicken. Now, I don't know why they call it Monterey chicken. It could be because it originated in Monterey, or maybe just because they use Monterey cheese and cheddar cheese. So I got around 4 cups of a blend of sharp cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack. I got some petite diced tomatoes. We're going to season the chicken with the Atlantic Grill Company, the Big Chicken Seasoning. I'm making mine keto friendly, so I am using G. Hughes sugar-free hickory flavored barbecue sauce, but use whatever sauce you like. Of course, the main ingredient, I have 4 big boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and of course, we're gonna fry up some bacon and we're gonna crumble it on top. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. Now, you can cook this inside in your oven. I'm, of course, gonna cook it outside on my kettle grill. I think it's just gonna add a little bit of a good flavor to it. But feel free to cook it in the oven, you know. Set it to 325 and just follow along. Instead of putting it on the grill, put it in the oven. And it's really easy. It only requires a few ingredients. And if you're on the keto diet or low carb diet, find yourself some sugar-free barbecue sauce and enjoy. Otherwise, just use your favorite barbecue sauce. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to make this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is season these chicken breasts. I'm not going to put this on the grill for probably an hour, but I just want it to kind of soak up some of that seasoning. And like I mentioned earlier, this is what I'm using, the Atlantic Grill Company the Big Chicken. And just to let you guys know, pepper, garlic, salt, onion, oregano, thyme, cayenne, rosemary, and coriander. Perfect for chicken. But you know what? Use whatever rub you like, or you can also use just salt and pepper. So I'm just going to season these really good on both sides, and then I'm going to put them in the fridge and kind of let them mellow out, soak up some of this delicious spice. Make sure to get all sides, and get the sides, the back. You know how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to do this. We'll be back in a second. Alright, just wanted you to see how they look like, all seasoned up. Like I said, I'm going to throw these in the fridge and then get them out in around an hour, hour and a half, and I'm ready to throw them on the grill. See you in a little bit. Alright, beverage review time. Look at this. From Stone Brewery, one of my favorites. This is Buena Vista Salt and Lime Lager. So, kind of a cool looking bottle. This is my son Kyle and my daughter Ava Grace. They're both going to be doing drink reviews today. It's a special edition of Smo'King Barbecue Tips and Recipe. Ava Grace is going to try Naked Juice, the pina colada flavor. Ooh.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it does sound good.
Right now it does.
And then Kyle's trying something. Saw these new bottles for Arizona. They make iced teas, but this is a watermelon fruit juice cocktail. So boy, we're all going to have some fun now. All right. You want to open yours, Kyle? Do you think you can pour it? Have you had pina colada flavor before, Ava Grace?
No.
No?
Yeah. No.
I didn't.
Have.
Okay, Kyle. I wasn't asking you. I was asking Ava Grace.
Well, I know because I've seen her have pina colada before.
Okay. Well, that's not a common flavor.
Well, I don't remember.
You got it? You need help? Here.
I probably do.
I think
Here.
that's not enough, Dad, because I'm gonna have milk from KFC and
Okay, well,
we
you
have
have
all
some.
this, Ava. We can just pour more in.
Oh, okay.
Okay, there you go.
You're not
You're gonna
supposed to
pour
drink this
pour
down.
yourself, Kyle.
No, I'm not drinking just that.
All right, and here's my Buena Vista Salt and Lime Lager. Oh, this looks light. It says it's only 4.7% alcohol, but that's good because I'm on keto. This is the only real beer I've had. So I don't think it's too high of carbs. Let's see. Ooh, I do smell lime. That's about it, very mild. Okay. Cheers, guys. I appreciate you watching my video. Cheers, Ava Grace.
Cheers, Kyle.
Kyle, why do you always have to fill it so full? You know, you can pour it in later. Okay, thanks again, guys. Everyone try it now. Oh, that's light and refreshing. It's good. And I do taste a little bit of lime. Reminds me of like a Mexican beer, like a Corona Dos Equis with a lime wedge. Well, that tastes good.
It's really like calm and relaxing flavor.
Your pina colada is calm and relaxing?
Yeah, it's really like a good flavor.
Okay. It says it's got pineapple, apple, banana, coconut, orange, and a hint of lemon. So good stuff, Eva Grace?
Can you taste like obscure flavors? Because last night you said pasta tasted like a high five.
So what about yours, Kyle?
It tastes like juice.
Watermelon juice?
It tastes like run flavor.
No, really. What do you think? Look at the camera. Tell me what you think. How does it taste? Is it?
It's almost as good as high five flavor, kind of like run flavor. I taste watermelon.
Don't be so silly. Take another sip. So no carbonation. It's just a fruit, like a fruit juice. Let's see.
Yeah, I think I'll have enough.
Oh yeah, it's got all kinds of stuff. Pear juice, mango puree, pineapple, and I'm sure some watermelon. Is that something you would try again? Pretty decent? Yeah? And how about you? You like that better than your other?
Yes, I think this is one of my favorites.
All right. Well, cheers one more time. And cheers.
Cheers.
And let's do a cheers to our viewers. Okay. Cheers to their viewers.
Cheers to the
Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go outside, start up the grill, but I'm gonna enjoy this cold beer as well. So I'll meet you guys outside. All right. You see, I put the temperature probe in this one right here, kind of make it easier. Put the fat side kind of towards the coals. Put this one right here. The probe. I got the other one taking a temperature right there. Before I put the lid on, I'm going to throw some apple chips. Just a few. Kind of give it a little bit of a smoke flavor. These probably won't take too long. I'm going to give them probably 15-20 minutes, but I'll definitely be monitoring the temperature. All right, it's been around 20 minutes. Looks like the chicken piece is 122. The grill is at 331. It's a little higher. I was trying to go for 300, 325, but I guess that's fine. So let's check it out. 20 minutes in. There we go. We'll give them a little bit more time. All right, I got it at 324, 325. It's at 124. You know what? I think it's been around a half hour, 35 minutes total. I'm gonna flip these over. Let's there we go. I'll put that in a second. You know, I'm going to spin them over. Oops. Put them over the fire just for a second. Yeah, I'm just going to spin them over the coals just for a couple minutes, just to kind of crisp up a little bit, and then I'll put them back on the indirect side. They're looking good. All right, the chicken has hit 155. The kettle is 292 and dropping. I think I'll put a few more charcoals in there. I'm going to take these off, take them inside. We're going to transfer them to a cast iron skillet. Meet you inside. All right, so I crammed them into this cast iron. They barely fit. Like I said before, I'm using this sugar-free barbecue sauce. I've had it before. It's very good. So I'm just going to coat all these with the barbecue sauce. Good dose of this barbecue sauce. And then it's going to go back on the grill. I added a few more coals. I'm just going to let those get up to temp. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to add a lot more. We want this to caramelize. Cooking for the last few minutes. We'll bring it up to 165. Just want to get some sauce on this. Alright, I just flipped them over. You want to make sure to get the back side too. Nice coating. Oh yeah. And I'm going to just flip these over. Kind of try to get them in the pan nice and neat. Oh yeah. Alright. So I got them all in there arranged. I just put a little bit more on top. There we go. Perfect. Now I got 2 of those temperature probes. Try to get into a couple of these. There we go. I'll meet you guys outside. Let's see, 161, 162. This is just where we want it. Oh, this one's actually a little bit higher, but we're okay. 163. Alright. Pretty much done. Now all we're going to do is just top it off with some cheese. Alright, here we are. Ready to go. We're just going to top it with some cheese. Just going to do a little bit of cheese first, like the base coat. And then I'm going to put some bacon here. I'm just going to use my fingers here. Some nice crispy bacon. Don't worry if some falls off into the pan. There'll be some good dipping sauce. Alright. I think we're cool. Oh, here comes Dixie. She can smell it. Alright. And then we're going to go more cheese. Alright, I'm going to go throw it on the grill one last time. We're just going to melt all this just for like 5 minutes. We are done. See you guys back in a little bit. Alright, here we are. Let's see how it's looking. Woo! It's bubbling. I think it's done. Just wanted to melt that cheese. Look at that. Wow. I got some asparagus here. Alright, here we are. I'm going to put a little bit more bacon on top just because I have a little bit more. Why not? I love bacon. And optional, diced tomatoes. I didn't slice my own. That probably would have been better, but I'll put a little bit on the top here. Give it a little bit of a nice color. And then last but not least, a little bit of green onion. Just kind of set it off there. Look at this. Wow. Alright, here we are. Ooh, it's looking good. Alright, we'll be out to try this in just a second. Alright, here we are with my wife Monica.
Hi.
We're going to try some of this here. Let me just grab one of the pieces here.
It looks really good.
Whoa.
Those are huge chicken breasts.
Yeah, they are big.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that.
It looks really good.
So, let me just spin this around. We'll slice some pieces here.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
Ooh.
Okay, that's...
I don't know if you guys can see the inside there. Guess I could get a.
It's really
close-up
moist.
there.
It looks moist.
It looks moist. Okay. Make sure to try to get some of the bacon and stuff or dip it in the juice here.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, here we go.
Here goes nothing. It smells good too. I can smell the barbecue.
Mmm.
That's really good.
Wow, it does taste a little smoky. Mm-hmm.
And that's using a keto-friendly barbecue sauce.
Yeah, I know. That barbecue
I
sauce is
I wish we
keto-friendly.
had that.
It's not quite as sweet, but I actually don't mind it. It has a perfect flavor.
I wish we had some of that Kentucky.
Yeah. The bluegrass barbecue sauce.
Yes.
Yeah, I would like
that
that
on
too.
this would be amazing.
You know we can't have that right now.
I know. It's a bummer.
Oh, but this is really
This
good.
is good though. I
Even
really
if
like
you're
it.
not on keto, just use your favorite barbecue sauce. Mm-hmm.
But I mean, this is good when you can't have barbecue sauce to have this kind at least.
Do you think you're onto something dipping it in that
Yeah, I'll try that.
barbecue sauce here?
Oh, it's almost too sweet doing that though.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a little bit, not too much.
If we just drizzled a little of that on when we
Like
cut
that.
it
Just
up.
dip it once.
Yeah. Really good. Another winner. My love.
It is really good.
It's good.
As always, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing. And I'll leave a link above to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.